Hi, my name is Chris Arndt, and I'd like to talk to you about the background of blogging, the history of it, why we blog, and how Twitter and Facebook and services like that interact with our WordPress.org blogs. Alright, so in 1984, the Usenet group mod.ber hosted about other Usenet groups, and I guess this was kind of the start of blogging before blogging really became a phenomenon. Then in 1994, web diaries started up with the Open Pages web ring that a Swarthmore College student started. And in 1997, the term weblog was coined. And by 1999, weblog was changed to weblog, or blog for short. Over time, services like weblog search engines and tools like permalinks and blog rolls were introduced to make blogging easier and more efficient. And nowadays, there's millions and millions of people all over the world that are sharing information on blogs and talking about different subjects. So why do we blog? Well, blogging helps get out ideas and introduce how those ideas interact with other people's ideas. So for example, you can write up a big long article about a new computer or something, and then you can add images from the internet, and you can add links to other people's information or technical reviews about it. So it's really easy to talk about a subject in depth. And then you can get comments from other people on the internet that will explain their opinion on that subject. So blogging sort of allows you to build a connection with a user base, because when you write about something, then they are more likely to come back and see your opinions on other subjects. So blogging can be used to connect with users and to increase traffic for your websites. And eventually you can even use it to suggest donations or other sorts of income strategies, like different technologies that you use or different software. So blogging increases the chance that your site will get return visits and will make it more profitable. So what do technologies like Twitter and Facebook have to do with blogging? Well, Facebook is a social phenomenon that's sort of like a forum, and it's sort of like a microblog. And it's a good place for people to advertise. What it does is it allows you to create a profile that represents who you are. You can add information like your jobs, your interests, and your own websites to your profile, and then you can comment on other people's profiles and talk about different sorts of things. Twitter, on the other hand, is what is called a microblog, which is basically a short blog. You can write up to 140 characters explaining an idea or a sentence. And you cannot have any images, you can't have any formatting at all. All you're doing is typing in words. So it's kind of like a quick update service. And as far as I'm concerned, that's its main strength, is you can have a project and you can have a Twitter for that project. And if people want to know what the status of the project is, they just go on your Twitter and they can see, oh, you released a new patch that was for some security update or something. Now, Facebook and Twitter can also interact with your main blog. So let me open up Engadget. And as I scroll down, this is sort of like a blog, right? It has a main news article, and it's talking about the new HTC phone. But at the bottom here, we have a share on Twitter link and a share on Facebook link. And if I click this, I can easily talk to other people on my Facebook and say, check out new HTC. And then I can click share. And immediately, people will see that link that I posted right here. So now any of my friends that come by can check that out. Now you could use this for your own services. Like if you had this for a company, you could have a new article related to a technology you're developing or something, and that would increase the connection that you have with your user base. Alright, well, I suppose that just about wraps it up. In my next webisode, I'm going to be talking about how you can start up your blog and the basics of blogging and stuff like that, introducing categories and how to post, how to edit some of the settings in your dashboard. So stay tuned for that.